The fastest way to start building systems inside of your business so you're more efficient, more faster, you save more energy, more time, and you're more predictable inside of your business. If you don't know where to start, let's just start really simple. I want you to pick one thing that you do really often. Not everything, just one. For this example, for this exact video, let's just do onboarding a client, right? Now, I want you to write down what is the first thing that happens after they actually pay. What is the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth thing that happens? I want you to keep it really simple. So the next time a client signs, you don't need to think about it. You have a system in place. And that's your first system for actual onboarding. Now you can repeat it for sales, delivery, and actual follow-up. Because you don't build systems all at once. You build them one repeat at actual time. Now, instead of having like these sophisticated systems with triggers, having them with like tags, having them all like automated, you have to start really simple. A simple system will better help you to understand where can you have an automation, where you can have a little tag, where you can have a trigger. I have seen that businesses that don't even have systems in place, where the founder is doing everything, he suddenly wants to go in Notion, he wants to go like have sophisticated CRMs, he wants to go monday.com, and he just wants to buy all of these actual softwares to build systems in place. But what he doesn't realize is that that will just make him more overwhelmed. It will be more complex for his business to actually start. I want you to start with baby steps that will really help you to gain the understanding that you need to be operating in systems. And to do that is to not overcomplicate things itself, right? Start really simple, write down all the steps for your sales. What happens first thing when somebody jumps on a call? The same as you have a sales script, right? You're following a sales script. The same you should have really inside of your business for delivery, for follow-ups. You should have them also for your decision making. You should also have them for your onboarding, right? And then once you have written them down, you just follow them. So you don't really need to think too much about it because it's already written on a piece of paper. It's either, I'm just saying piece of paper, it could be written even in A4 doc. It doesn't really matter where it's written, but now you're actually following an actual system flow rather than just thinking and trying to remember, because now you are becoming more efficient and you are more systematic as well with your business.